Welcome to
Moraine Lake.
We need a couple pictures.
Welcome back to Wander with Swang. This time, we are bringing you guys to see this beautiful national park in Alberta, Western Canada, and that is Banff National Park, or you probably often heard as Canadian Rockies, which is the first national park in Canada. It is surrounded by Rocky Mountain peaks and turquoise glacial lakes. In this video, we will be visiting 3 places like Moraine Lake, Lake Louise, and Johnston Canyon.
So we just drove up here. Earlier there was no parking spot. Well, we were told that to come earlier to get the parking spot. But right now I think it's like 10 a.m. But there's plenty of parking spot here. Parking spot here, there, and there. So yeah, actually.
But it's relatively small for the amount of people that come here.
Yeah.
It is kind of chilly, like overcast day, so it's a little not as busy.
So we're gonna walk towards the Moraine Lake.
See you down there.
Okay, so I just used the bathroom just now. Just a quick review. If you can, don't use the bathroom here. It's disgusting. It's really bad. Okay, you just have to walk out from there to go to a better spot on top of the rock pile. So you're gonna go up there for some better pictures.
Warning.
What's that?
I got the warning.
The hike to the top was actually an easy one. It took us about 15 minutes to get to the top.
Actually have arrived. So this is one spot, but there's like a stone here, so it kind of blocks the view. But you can walk this side. No stones or any wall that blocks this view. So that's the spot that we started from the parking lot right there. If you can see, there's actually a lot of like parking space left. So you don't have to worry about that. But if it gets full, you can park down at Lake Louise and then take the shuttle bus up here. So we walked along the trail. Like if you can see the trail there, and then we walk up. You can see some people walking down there as well, and then we walk up until here. So this is like the highest spot here. So a lot of people just come and take pictures here. You need a couple pictures, right?
Yeah.
We climbed a little bit of rocks in order to get better angle for the pictures. It was definitely a little bit scary.
Oh, I think that's the spot down there.
And here our pictures turn out to be.
So that's what we saw earlier. It's not the chipmunks, but it was the squirrels. But they look alike actually, just the pattern. I think like the chipmunks has more patterns. So we've walked back down. So we're gonna go near to the lake now. See how clear the water is. We arrived at the second spot. It's Lake Louise. This time we definitely have a difficulty finding a parking spot, even though the parking is actually bigger than Moraine Lake. So we kind of have to go around a bit in order to come to this the second parking spot on top. There's the one down, which is near to the Lake Louise, but we didn't get the spot yet. So this one you gotta pay for the parking until 7 p.m. That's it, and then you got a ticket. Done. I guess one thing that I really like about this place is you can bring the dogs here, but the dogs has to be on the leash. Oh, we're almost there actually. It's not a long walk. Thanks. Look at the amount of the people at the lake here. It's like a lot of people here. And that's Fairmount Hotel. That's like very, very famous.
I think the amenities are better here though.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's like
You
easier
don't have
to
to
walk.
climb anything.
Sad things are paved. It's easier to get around. But
So-
the other place was more photogenic.
But this place here, it's like kind of foggy, I think because of the weather as well. Now we are going to the boathouse to check out the boat, how much it costs. I think
$25 more for an hour.
Sure.
30 minutes is
What's the GST?
135
Oh, GST's tax?
per canoe.
Guest tax.
And 1 hour is 145 from 10:30 to 5 p.m. So we decided not to do the canoeing because it's only for 3 people per canoe, but we only have we have 4 of us.
We're about to do a 2.5 mile hike around the lake.
I guess this is the end of the trail. How far was the walk? 2 kilometers. I don't know in miles, so
About 1.25 mile.
it's not that bad. It's quite easy.
Pretty easy.
Yeah.
They're very flat.
Yep.
Not a lot of elevation change.
I didn't see anything interesting.
Nothing interesting, just some squirrel.
Oh, yeah, not lucky enough, I guess.
How do you feel after halfway through the hike?
A bit tired. My legs are a little bit tired right now. But it's okay. I still can walk. But I'm definitely hungry. I need energy for that.
Since hiking is not our goal on this trip, hence we took the easiest path. However, if you like to hike up further to Big Beehive for a stunning view like this, you definitely need to wear hiking shoes and carrying tools such as bell and bear spray, just in case you encounter the bears. And the hike would take around 3 to 4 hours to complete.
So basically, we left Louise, and then we went to have like sandwich and coffee. Now we're at the Johnston Canyon, and it's actually currently like pouring right now. Here, yep, it's very nice. It's not a far walk, so we decided to like, okay, let's just give it a try. It's around 1.5 kilometers away of one way, and then we're gonna walk back as well, so it's gonna be like 3 kilometers walk, which is not too bad, so we decided to do it anyway. Hopefully the rain stops, because it's just kind of getting cold a little bit. Kevin, do you like it?
Oh, him.
I'm glad we get wet a little bit to see this pretty view here, so it's worth it. It's kind of cute, this walkway, but someone really hates it right now. And that guy with the orange umbrella. Waterfall here. It's absolutely stunning, this canyon, I have to say. So we are currently waiting in the queue to get into this tunnel right here in front. See this waterfall, and there's like mist. Basically to get near to the waterfall area I'm going to show you. It's raining, but the queue is kind of
end of this video. In our next video, we will be going on the Banff gondola to go to the peak of the mountain for a Sulphur Mountain boardwalk to enjoy the breathtaking views. We will also be going on the Lake Minnewanka cruise to learn about its history. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next video.